Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by opening WhatsApp and selecting the person you want to call. Make sure your camera and microphone permissions are enabled so audio and video work. Otherwise, the call will only ring. Once you've chosen a contact, tap the video camera icon at the top of the chat. That initiates the video call. If you prefer, swipe to calls and press the new call button, then choose video. Do this now to place the connection attempt. Once the call connects, you'll see in call controls when you tap the screen. Use them to mute, switch cameras, or enable speaker. Switch camera to show what's behind you, mute if noisy. To add people, press Add Participant or Invite from the chat. WhatsApp supports many participants in group calls. Keep an eye on the network quality icon. Make sure to switch to Wi-Fi if the call degrades. Adjust video resolution in settings if data or bandwidth is limited. To finish, tap the red End Call button. Confirm if your device prompts for permission. If you need a different quality or to save data, go to Settings right arrow Storage and Data right arrow Use less data for calls or adjust video settings. If video or audio doesn't work, try these steps. Close and reopen WhatsApp, restart the phone, or toggle camera and microphone permissions in system settings. If problems persist, switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa to isolate the network issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.